Ohuhu 15.5 FT Telescoping Ladder with Stabilizer Bar. EN131 Certified 1-Button Retraction Aluminum Telescopic Extension Ladder, 330-pound capacity. Owning a house is hard work. Whether it's a dead light bulb, a dusty fan, a dirty window, or a wall that needs painting, the maintenance never stops. With the Ohuhu Telescope Ladder, you'll be able to tackle all of your at-home tasks quickly and easily. The maximum height of 15.4 feet, 4.7 meters, is just what you need to get the job done. No one around to hold the ladder in place? No problem. Our innovative stability bar and anti-skid pads eliminate dangerous shakes and wiggles. Even better, extra wide rungs help you stand comfortably without losing your footing. Why sacrifice portability for strength? With this industrial extension ladder, you'll have both. The premium aluminum alloy is just as lightweight as it is strong. Though it weighs only a few pounds, this telescoping ladder can support up to 330 pounds. You'll be able to carry it from room to room with ease. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. One-button retraction. Convenience is key. That's why we've designed this ladder with easy one-button retraction. Simply press down on the thumb buttons and the ladder will slide down effortlessly. Number 2. Premium aluminum alloy. No need to lug around a big, clunky ladder. Give your arms a rest. The Ohuhu Telescopic Extension Ladder is crafted from a high-quality aluminum alloy that's just as light as it is strong. Number 3. Rock-solid stability. Don't worry about wobbles. A stabilizer bar and anti-skid foot pads maximize stability and minimize shakes. The ladder won't budge an inch, even as you climb up and down. Number 4. Intelligent locking pins. No more pinched fingers. Specially designed locking pins hold the rungs in place, preventing sliding and retracting. Simply pull the ladder open and the pins will insert automatically. Number 5. Safe stepping. This ladder is as sturdy as they come, with a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. Non-slip end caps hold the base firmly in place, while extra wide steps ensure safe climbing. We've also made sure that this ladder is compliant with EN131 and SGS European safety standards to give you some peace of mind. Number 6. Versatile. The Ohuhu Telescoping Extension Ladder is perfect for handymen, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners alike. Thanks to its maximum height of 15.5 feet, 4.7 meters, this ladder is ideal for everyday tasks like painting, window cleaning, roof repairs, light bulb changes, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.